Hello, my lovely students and my viewers. It's good to see you again. This time around, I'm going to start another new series, and in this very series, I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about Java. I'm going to be teaching you from the basic scratch till you and I become a pro developer in Java. So this tutorial is basically for students. It's for you know absolute beginners, and it's for maybe intermediate programmers or anyone who want to just learn Java or want to know one or two things about Java. So just like I said, I'm going to be teaching you from scratch. We'll follow the process of installing and configuring our system to be able to start writing in Java. We'll go to variables and we'll begin to do some advanced stuffs. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the concept. So we have a quick introduction to Java here. Java is just a high-level programming language that was originally developed by Sun Microsystems in 1991, and later on Oracle had to purchase Java, and from that time till now Java is owned by Oracle. So Java is a platform independent type of programming language. That is, it is cross platform. It runs virtually on all operating systems. That is, a code written in Windows can actually be compiled to also run on Mac OS, even on Linux, Unix, as the case may be. So Java uses one type of compiler called the JavaC, and the extension for saving Java file is .java, just like we have .png for pictures without background, just like we have .css for CSS files, we have .php for PHP files. That same way we write Java and save it in a .java file. So the concept is that the compiler, the JavaC compiler, actually converts the source code, all your source codes in Java, to a byte code, which is, it converts it to a byte code and save it in a dot class. Then the Java virtual machine actually executes the byte code produced by the compiler. So this byte code can now run on any platform. So once you can send that byte code to maybe from a Windows to a Mac OS, it has already been made in a language that is kind of common to all operating systems. They have no choice than to just execute it. Doesn't that sound fun? Yes, it is. The next thing is the main features of Java. Why are we even trying to learn Java out of all programming languages? One of the main features about Java is that it is platform independent. Just like I explained earlier, a code written on one operating system can run on virtually all operating systems. Java is an object-oriented language. That is, it makes use of classes and objects. So if you don't know what object-oriented languages are, I recommend you to check my object-oriented programming series, which is a file that contains everything you need to know about object-oriented programming, from the definition to classes to objects to the structure to method properties and the principles, which are inheritance, polymorphism, abstractions, and encapsulation, and so on and so forth. So if you are new to this channel and you don't understand what it means by object-oriented programming, I recommend you to check out that playlist. So Java is a robust language capable of building virtually anything. I'll show you some of the things we can build with Java at the end of this video. So we can use Java to program any kind of thing we can think of. It is also a multi-threading language. That is, it can allow you to build programs that can run conveniently at the same time on one CPU, which means With Java, you can maximize the way you use the CPU. I know you may not understand that, but you will see that in the future. Java is secure, that is, it can be used to build any kind of secure system. It is basically simple to learn in terms of the syntax and the way it is compared to things like maybe C++ or C itself. Java is distributed. So these are some of the main features of Java, and these are the benefits we can get from learning Java. So here we can see a couple of things we can build with Java. I made mention of mobile phones, which could be Android phones. Can actually build the back end of Android phones with Java. We can build desktop applications. We can build softwares like what I'm using right now with Java. We can use it to power web applications. We can use it to build it as back end of web applications, just like we can use C# and PHP to do. We can actually use it to build servers and applications, maybe things like XAMPP, WAMP, and the likes. We can use it to build games, all kinds of games. We can use Java to build it. Then we use it to make database connections. You can use it to communicate with a MySQL. You can use it to connect with any kind of SQL language. And there's much more we can actually build with Java that we may not be able to cover in this video. But right now, I want to believe you learn a thing or two in this video. So guys, that'll be all for now, and in the next video I'm going to be teaching you how to set up your system, how to install an IDE, which is an integrated development environment, so that you can actually begin to write and compile Java from your system. So but before then, I will appreciate if you can like this video, share your comments, your opinion, your advice, and how you feel watching our videos. And don't forget, please subscribe to our channel, like it, and share our videos with others. We'll see you in the next episode.